Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm just in another trade here on gold. I've basically tripled this account. I've actually more than tripled this account. Just have a few trades running here. You can see I started off, I was on 120. Now I'm sitting on 470, basically almost $500, using the same strategy on gold as I showed you on the last video, using these bands. So as you can see, the spread is super tight on gold with this broker. Super tight. Look at that spread on the 1 minute time frame. So with this strategy, I'm primarily using it on the 5 minute because I just find the setups are a lot more solid. But let's just back test this strategy here quickly. I'm just going to close these positions first. This is MT5, so I'm going to go to bulk operations, close all positions. Okay, there we go. Looks like price is going to reverse because it's hitting this previous high over here. This previous low. So the strategy is basically I'm looking for the stochastic to be either oversold or giving me a divergence, and then for price to start pushing up. So you can see here price gave a nice scalp over here, also here hit the bands, gave us a nice scalp. Here was a nice scalp over here. If we go back earlier in the day, at the beginning of the session, stochastic oversold, and you can see here price shot up for a nice scalp, then hit the band on the other side and reversed, hit the band on this side, shot up, hit the band on the other side and reversed, hit the band over here, a little scalp, but then failed. If we just look at the previous day, hit the band over here, reversed, hit the band at the top here, reversed downwards. Just endless trades yesterday that you could have made money on and doubled your account or made a nice gain on your account. So if you want further information on the strategy, just send me a link on Telegram and we can start chatting. Also, I'll give it to you for free, so the strategy will be given to you for free. Okay, if you sign up with Vantage Markets, just take a screenshot of your sign up and of your deposit and then flick me a message on Telegram and I'll give you the strategy for absolute free. Or you can just chat to me on Telegram and we can just have a chat, get to know each other, and I'll just explain to you more about the strategy and also how to sign up with Vantage Markets because they offer the best trading conditions, especially for day trading and scalping gold. So yeah, guys, I'll be happy to work with you, and I'll even mentor you a bit, on the strategy further down the line as well, and send you screenshots of my trades, and you can send me screenshots of yours, and we can work a bit together, to actually do really well in these markets trading gold with this strategy primarily. So anyway, guys, I will chat to you soon, and don't be afraid to message me on Telegram, and I will hope to hear from you soon. Cheers, bye.